T40 Torx, and I had trouble. It fit really hard to get it in there initially, so you might have to take your hammer and beat it in a little bit to get it started. And I've obviously loosened these before. I'm just showing which ones that I've taken off. And you won't need these again if you want to save them. If you want to do something with them, help yourself. This is where we'll bolt the new brackets to. Okay, we have the basic supports installed. Here you're looking at our L1, the left rear, and you can see there's adjustable holes there that you can adjust it, but the center holes are what's is standard, but the bottom one doesn't have the bottom holes because you would hit the wheel well. And I left the inside center support out. So if you do run long boards the whole way, you're able to get those in, and then you'll have to add the inside center support and your extra brackets. Now we'll switch over to the passenger side, our side, and we've got those brackets installed as well. Now what we're going to do is the R3, the ceiling support. And I don't know what this is officially called. I call it a fish wire. And that'll be included in your package. And you just thread your 7/16 by 1 carriage bolt onto this fish wire. And then we'll come up there. I have the one already installed. It's right here. The other one is right here. There's the hole where I went through, and then we'll see how good I am on video to run my wire through the hole. And it would make perfect sense if it would be more difficult than when I'm not on video. Pause the video. Okay, I got it through now. High stress situations are tough on me. And then you just unthread it like a nut, but you want to be careful so you don't push the bolt back in and just lose that. Now the other tricky part here, 2 hands are better than 1. Go ahead and put that on the bolt. Yeah, if you can sort of push down on the bolt a little bit, help hold it. Okay, we have a special washer that fits the carriage bolt. The neck on the carriage bolt is too long if you don't use that washer, so that's why that's included. And yeah, it's a little tricky to get that thing in there, and then you drop a washer and you ask your nephew for another one. let's try this. Takes all the hands you have and maybe a few more. That's how it's supposed to be. The white square washer and then a flat washer, lock washer, and nut. And then you do the same thing on the one up here. I will save the video for another day. Thank you.